Hi guys, today I'm doing an unboxing video of this Blade 70S indoor helicopter. They call it an indoor helicopter because of its size. It's pretty small, but it has a lot of the features of a full-size helicopter. I'll read what's on the box here. Easy to fly with the safe technology, durable, lightweight, and strong frame, low part count, and this is the ready to fly. They don't offer this in a bind and fly version right now. So it comes with the transmitter, it comes with regular batteries, AA batteries for the radio, and a rechargeable LiPo battery for the helicopter itself. It takes 4 AA's. And also the charger for the LiPo helicopter battery is USB. So durable construction with carbon fiber, the tail boom anyway, low part count, flybarless mechanical simplicity, convenient USB charger, and it's fully assembled, ready to fly. Here we go on the side here. They call this the Ultimate Ultra Micro. Just for a size reference, the helicopter is 138.5 millimeters long and only weighs 34 grams. And it has different flight modes, beginner, pro, like different, so adjust the banking angles and stuff, so you can adjust that. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it up. So on this side here we have the radio, which is a 2.4 gigahertz radio. It's actually pretty nice. Nice quality. All the trims are adjustable. Pretty nice. And now on the other side we have the helicopter. It comes with spare blades. Wow. It's even smaller than I thought. Looks nice. It's like the larger scale helicopters, just mini. One thing that they suggested at the store is to tighten up the screws for the blades here, just so they're a little bit snugger. They're super loose for packaging. That's how it comes. I'll get the canopy off here. And that just slides off. Very simple design. But yeah, the blades are a little too loose, so I'll tighten those up. The battery sits right there on the front. That might be the little antenna. And that's about it for the unboxing. I'll, set it up, charge the battery. Oh yeah, the battery, that should be in here somewhere. Oh yeah, on the other side. Here's the 4 batteries for the transmitter, just regular AA's. Then we have the battery for the helicopter. Wow, that's small. It's a 1-cell, 3.7 volt, 150 milliamp hour LiPo battery. Has the Velcro on it ready to attach. And a USB charger. Doesn't get much simpler than that. Okay, and that's about it for the unboxing. Once I have it set up, I'll show you guys again what it looks like and how it flies. And one thing I forgot to mention is that the instruction manual that it comes with goes through a lot of details. There's an extra card here on the LiPo battery information. It explains everything, all the radio controls. Everything is adjustable. And if you've never flown a helicopter with like standard helicopter controls, it explains it all right here. So even if this is your first helicopter, it goes through every detail and how to fly it, and if there's trouble, the part breakdown. It's a good manual. I got the USB battery, LiPo battery charger going there. It's red when it's charging and will turn green when it's done. Okay, I got the transmitter all set up. I'll show you what it looks like when it powers up. You gotta hold it down pretty long. There we go. Till it beeps. And that lights up blue like that. And then that's ready to go. Also, the LiPo battery is done charging as it's turned green. So now you just unplug it. Just like that. And then this disconnects from the USB charger. Then the battery is ready to go in the helicopter. You just gotta take the canopy off by pulling either attachment out. And then it looks like there's a 3-pin plug and a 2-pin plug. So this will plug into that one there. Once to make sure the transmitter's on. Throttle's down so it doesn't take off. Now let's see which way this goes. I think it's going to go this way. There we go. And then that attaches there. Very short wire, so it can only go one way. And then the green LED lights up to show you have power. Then you gotta snap the canopy back on. You just gotta pull it over, which is kind of tricky. That's one complaint people have about these, is how, because it's so small, how hard it is to put the canopy on. The bottom has to line up. It has to go through the landing gear, but it always gets caught on everything, and then it's trying to correct for the self-leveling all the time. But once you find a trick to get it on, it'll be better. I tried putting it on once already, actually, before this. There, now I almost have it. There. Now it is on. Let's turn it on just for a bit. The motor is not starting. That's weird.